Alexa? Okay lang.
Halika, ito, pula mo to. Take a picture. Sige, card. Go. Ako okay ako.
Ano okay ka?
Sila na yan.
At sila lang ba? Okay.
Go, Ed.
Ay, naiya si Kuya Jim.
Alexa, can you take a picture?
Hindi nagamit ang one minute before. Ayan. Ano?
Galing mo.
Ano ako pupunta doon? Oo nga eh. Yun. Dito na. Thank you. Alexa, pa-picture tayo.
Tayo mo na.
Congrats, Kate.
Ay, ito. Sige, halika na dito. Ay.
Next time dumating na. Or lumipat ka lang.
Wala pa. Isigan ka lang. Yan. Para pag ano yan. Okay, thank you. Abangers.
Nakakatawa.
Ayun ang magayo mo.
Ate, Ami, nakita mo yung sarili mo?
Oo.
Picturean ko.
Ate, nag-blower ko pala doon sa ng bongga.
Alexa, picture mo na kayo ni KB. Ayan. Yan. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait lang. Ito pa. KB sa akin.
Okay
Okay.
guys, dito naman for Star Magic.
Inintay mo, di ba?
Last one. 1, 2. Thank you.
Ano kasi yung
Lek. Isa pa ako. Isang makulit lang ako. Makulit lang.
Yung sipon ko tutulong, no?
Hindi, wala yan. Tissue. Okay, 1, 2, 3, makulit. Opa. Okay, thank you.
Picture kami, Jenny.
tinatawanan niyo ako, umiyak ako eh.
Ang cute mo.
Anong initial reaction?
Super ganda. I think
yung family drama na movie, kailangan talaga bumalik sa like sa normal. Kasi naalala ko yung mga family dramas, they're very 2000 stuff. Pero I think it should be modernized again and it should be brought back up. Kasi sobrang ganda ng movie na to. No bias. Bias aside, like of course, syempre I'll always be biased towards Alexa. Pero napakaganda ng movie. Napakahusay po ng mga actors and lahat po ng characters may backstory and you'll really feel them. It's a story about motherhood, friendship, love, and yeah, everybody should watch this talaga.
Do you see yourself doing like family drama in the future?
Oo naman po, yeah. Family dramas are something I always wanted to do. And I had a glimpse of it nung Pirapiras ng Paraiso, pero medyo intense na family drama yun. Pero siguro yung medyo soft na family drama, something like this, where it's related with kids, related with mothers and fathers. I think I'd love to explore that.
This is your first time also to watch the film.
Oh, well, this is my first time to watch the film.
Okay. What's your impression of the movie?
Napaka-
You said earlier,
Yeah.
if you could describe it like in one word, probably.
In one word, there's so many words, pero heartwarming. Heartwarming talaga yung film na to. So, yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Tama ka din yan. 1, 2, 3. Wait lang, one more. Okay.
Thank you guys. Again and again and again.
Hawak ng stairs. Maganda ka doon.
Dara kayong dalawa ni Alexa. Okay,
Buwan, direct wala tayong
1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you.
Kuya Sunny, Kuya Sunny,
Oh naman.
Thank you, Kuya Sunny.
Yung Sunny.
Sunny and Sunny.
Oh yes, 1, 2, 3. Nagpa-picture na si Sunny kay Sunny.
Guys, Yay! Can we eat na?
Oo, gutom na ako. Tara.
Ay, quick question lang. Ano reaction mo after watching the film?
Oh my God.
Naiyak ka pa rin ba?
Well, I tried my best na hindi kasi alam ko, pipicture niya ako after. Kaya trinay ko talaga kasi naku, tuloy-tuloy na yan. But I'm so happy. Honestly, hindi pa siya totally nagsasink in. Like, I think I have to watch it again tomorrow. But I'm so proud. I'm so happy. And hindi naman sa pagbubuhat ng bangko, pero maganda talaga siya.
And you know what? Ang ganda mo sa screen at mas payad ka ngayon yung
Alam niyo ba,
secret.
trivia, walang ka-makeup. Kahit
ang
lip
ganda naman.
balm na tinted, di ako pinayagan ni Bella. Akala ko nga sabotage eh. Tapos gusto niya lagi, pawisan, dugyot. Sabi ko, ano kaya itsura ko dito sa movie na to? In fairness, di naman pala pangit.
Tsaka sabi nila, pagka nasa screen, nag-game, pero ang payat mo, anong secret mo these
Thank
days?
you. Siguro kasi I'm very active din talaga. Like, super workout, super been eating better, shirataki rice, and ang daming factors kung bakit. Feeling ko, like, Dr. Picabello, yung mga treatments, lahat ng parang high maintenance things to stay low maintenance. I do all of that. Mga papagorgeous.
Effective, you're glowing on
Thank
screen.
you.
So invite
Love
everyone
you.
na lang to watch.
Ayan, hello everyone. I'm inviting you all to catch Mujige in SM Cinemas nationwide starting October 9. Bring your friends, bring your family, and bring your tissue.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hope you guys liked it.
Na-teary-eyed na.
Ano naman yung tumatak na scene sa'yo?
Tumatak na scene. I think for me is yung grabe yung actually yung naging tension ng movies, biglang dumating si Jisoo. Tapos grabe na pa, oh no, ito na. Kasi I just realized na the father is still alive. The father can still get the child. Legally, he can still get her. And tumaas lang yung tension lalo and it really got me hooked.
Tapos Tapos, ngayon naman, ano masasabi mo? Or like, do you have a message for Alexa sa performance?
Alexa, ang galing-galing mo talaga dito. And I always tell you, you're always gonna be great. And this movie proved it.
And ano na lang, can you invite them to watch Mujige?
So guys, don't forget to watch Mujige. Out now in cinemas. Out now in cinema, SM Cinemas.
Yes.
Okay. So, hey guys, don't forget to watch Mujige exclusively on SM Cinemas.
Last one, can you say Laban Fighting?
Laban fighting.
But that's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks.
Tayo, picture kayo ni Ate Ate Alex, ano, picture sila ni Kinilig. Kinilig. Ay, kinilig. Kinilig ka dali, picture tayo. Ay,
Nakaupo kayo.
kayo doon, dali.
Sa kabila ka.
Ayan, perfect. Oh, smile. 1, 2, 3.
Muna.
Isa pa. Wait lang, isa pa.
Baka may flash ate maganda.
Okay, wait lang. Flash. Eto.
Eyeliner mo.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ang dami.
Isa pa.
Okay,
Wait lang.
Wait lang. Isa pa. Wait lang. Isa pa. One more.
Thank you.
Picture family.